How's it going today, guys? If you've ever done any work on your car, you've probably run into this situation where you've lost the plastic pins that connect your fender to your bumper. And I got a 3D printer here, so I figured I'd print myself some new ones and pop them in. So we'll get right on into the design. So first thing I did was take some measurements of the hole diameter, so it gives us a good starting point for our design. So I'll be using Fusion 360 for the design here, and I'm relatively new at this, so sometimes I'll be jumping around not knowing what I'm doing. But right here I'm creating the head of the pin, kind of like the head of the nail or whatever, and then going forward I'm creating the center cylinder that would go into the hole. And I actually think I messed up here and did a radius instead of the diameter that we measured before, so I did 3.25 or something. And so if you download the file from Thingiverse, you're gonna have to multiply it by 2 to get the actual dimension, or if your car has a different pinhole and you're using the file, just multiply it by whatever you need. So we're creating the shaft here, and then what we'll do, we'll revolve a bubble section around it to stop it from coming out. Now we're going to cut 4-way cross in it to give it the flexibility we need to go into the hole. So we got it printed out on the glass build plate here, and as you can see, I broke it trying to get it off of the build plate there. So first thing I knew right away was that we need to make those pins a little bit more beefier on the inside. So we're going to go back into Fusion 360 and make the update. So in Fusion 360, I used the Modify tab to make the tabs there a little bit thicker and beefier. We put it into Cura and just did a basic setting. I didn't really make any adjustments from my normal print settings for this particular print. The first one looked good, so we print a few more here. These ones are definitely a lot beefier, and they came off the build plate a little bit easier. As a tip here, I'm using a little bit too much glue, so I should probably wash that off and put less on, and they would pop off a lot easier. So back out to the car, and the first one's in. This is me putting in the second. So it just goes right in and works perfect. Great fix. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe for more 3D printer videos in the future.